My mom got 2 packs on here, Mom. I can hear it.
What he was trying to say is that I have 2 packs of hair of the 1B in my head already. So this is the hair that I'm using. It's the Model Natural Twist. I have 2 packs of the 1B in my hair already, and now I'm going to put in the color 30. How I braided my hair in the front, I just made like individual plaits of 2 to 3 rows, and then will create a more box braid look. If you go back and look at all of my styles, I don't like a lot of packs of hair in the head when I use it, unless the person tells me when I'm doing hair that they like their hair really full. So I'm always trying to create a natural look to make it look like the person's hair. So this is why I made the front in blocks of individuals, and then when I braid them all together, just into a straight back row. So as I'm inserting the crochet hair, I take the needle down, so when I pull the crochet hair through, it will have a flat look, because when I try to do it the opposite way, take the needle going up, it makes the crochet stand on top of the hair. So everything I want to look as natural as possible, and this is the reason I go down. So once again, it's bringing the needle downward and then pulling the hair up makes the crochet lay flat. In the front, I only knot the hair once, so I pull it through and just leave it as is. But as you see in the back, to make it stay more tight, I loop it twice. And this is usually with all the hair that I work with. I do more loops in the back than I do the front. All the hair that I'll be using will be in the description. So for this hairstyle, I use a total of 4 packs, which is 2 1B, 1 pack of the 30, and then 1 pack of 27 at the top. And this is the length or actually the only length that this hair comes in, so it doesn't come longer, and at least not the hair store that I go to. So it doesn't come longer, it doesn't come shorter, it only comes in this length. And 4 packs should be enough to do a whole head, unless your head is bigger. So I have in pretty much all of the color 30 that I'm using. So this is how much it filled at the top, and now I just have a horseshoe shape open. So this is what the 27 looks like. It's a little lighter, not that much lighter. Here you can see the size of the blocks that I make. You see I didn't make it too small. Also, when you make it too small, it's depending on the hair you have. Like this hair is very it's easier to pull to the braids versus something like braids that's thicker. It's harder to pull through the hair if it's braided tight. bohemian look for my twist. So now I'm just pulling the hair through the same way as I did the twist, and I'm making 3 knots instead of 1 and 2, because when the hair is looser and soft like this, it causes it to slide out easier later. I don't want that much hair in of this. I just only want a little, so I'm going to probably only add about 10 pieces the most, if even that, because the more curly hair that you have in mixed with your twist or any style, then you have to worry about it tangling. But the reason I'm using this Kima brand is because it really don't tangle as much as some of the other brands out there. And I've used this hair with braided Bohemian hair, and I don't really take care of my hair as far as trying to keep up the maintenance and tangling. And this Kima Ocean Way, or this is not the Ocean Way, Kima Ripple Deep, this hair didn't really tangle up when I had it in with my braids. So now I have the hair all in, and as you see, I didn't put many curly pieces in. And now I'm going to cut into the bob off camera because it's harder for me to do it without using 2 mirrors. So here you can see how it turned out. I don't really like this style long. I like it cut precise. So that's why I cut it into a bob. You can also see all the colors that I use. The black, the brown, and the blonde at the top. And you can see the blonde and brown is not too much of a big difference. Not too obvious where to have 3 colors in. And then the curly hair that I put in, I just put barely any in, just enough to make it look a little different. And now I'm just cutting the back of what I see is a little off. But if you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comments. I will respond to you. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. And if you have any more requests of any other videos or hair that you would like to see put in, you can also leave that in a comment. So I will see you in the next video.